Under color slide scanning, we can select DIC, go live, run a set exposure, and take a snap. We can also perform a quick 2x2 or 3x3 grid. Of our sample. And we can also perform more traditional tiling using the tiling wizard. I can add these 3x3, start our experiment, and capture our whole section. If we were to move to a higher magnification objective, we can move from the 10 to the 20, go live, ensure that the sample is in focus, and we can capture that same area that is now 49 tiles very quickly. Where we were previously capturing 3x3, we're now capturing 49 tiles at 20 times magnification. Where we have a thinner optical section.